What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be going over my top 3 picks for long-term investing this year. We're going to be going over 3 stocks. The first one we're going to start off with is WDC, ticker symbol WDC. Go ahead and pull it up on a chart. Western Digital Corporation is an American computer hard disk drive manufacturer and data storage company. It designs, manufactures, and sells data technology products, including storage devices, data center systems, and cloud storage. So guys, if you think about that, it doesn't seem like they're going to greatly be affected by the pandemic that's going on right now. But of course, everything in the stock market was affected. But think about it. They don't have restaurants that are shut down. They don't have bars that are shut down. They don't have retail stores that are shut down. So that's one good sign. All right, so look at where WDC was previously trading at. It was previously trading at 72.34 before the pandemic hit. When the pandemic hit, it dropped to a low of 27.40. Okay, so we'll draw the floor here. Okay, or that can also be called the support. So everyone's probably saying, oh, I wish I got in here, but no one really knows where this was going to be until it hit it a second time. This is confirming that this is a support, because you could have bought in here and it could have dived even lower. As it started to go up, that's okay. It showed that it had a very low resistance here and came back down. Okay, as you can see, it went up, came a little down, went up, came a little down. Okay, so as you can see, there's still a huge potential for return if it ever gets back to where it was, which is, it's showing over 127% from that support of 27 there. Although it's trading at 39.39 right now, I think it's still a great idea to get in if you can buy at least one share a week and do a dollar cost average method where you just buy one every week. By the time it recovers, you'll definitely make a pretty penny. So take a look at where we are now. So when's a good time to get in now? Well, right now I'll draw these lines right here, which will create a horizontal channel. Okay, bam. Okay, so looking at this now, it went up to 43 and then down to 37, and then up to 43 and then down to 36. So as it came down to 36, I thought it was a good time to get in. I am holding it for the long term, so I am hoping that, you know, we'll see some upside there. Now, even if it does drop below, let's go back to that line there. Even if it does drop below this line right here, I'll still buy more. I'll be worried when it drops below 27, or if it drops below 27. But as it comes down, if it comes down this way, I'll still buy more. I'll still continue to buy my one a week, because that will average together, and when it goes up eventually, we'll see a pretty good return. All right, so that's WDC. The second one I'd like to look into, all right, is GE, General Electric. Did about the same thing, but look where it's trading at right now. It's trading at $6.52, but its previous high was only about $13. Think about it. GE is a long-term company. They're a long-term growth. They've been around for a long time, and look at the discounted price you can cash in on GE right now. They have their hands on a little bit of everything: the service industry, the aviation industry, appliance industry. So I really believe that they'll be around for a while. So let's take a look at where they're at one more time. So they were trading at 13.26, hit a low of 5.90. We can draw some lines here of where the support. So we have the support down here at 5.90, and then we have the resistance here. So I would set an alert for when it goes lower or when it goes higher. So if it breaks below this support, then it'll definitely be a good idea to continue to buy it. Don't just sell everything. Oh, I mean, what's 5.90? Okay, so you guys definitely try to set up a plan where you can purchase one stock of GE every week. I would even do 10 if you can. I know a lot of you have $50 out there to spend. I know a lot of you don't, but think about it. Some of my Uber Eats have been like $48. So definitely take a look into it. We definitely have a lot of potential for upside, guys. Look at this, almost 102% of potential upside in the long term. So again, guys, right now we're just waiting to see. Right now, after the initial drop, it's letting us know that it's staying right in this horizontal channel here. We haven't seen any potential for upside. We haven't seen a breakout yet to the upside, but this is a very good time to keep an eye, add it to your watch list. Their earnings are coming up very soon as well. All right, so GE is my second pick, and my last pick is Delta Airlines. All right, looking at Delta Airlines, they were trading previously at $63 before everything hit, and bam, look at this again, guys. Huge sell-off. Stocks are on sale right now. I mean, this hasn't been huge sell-off, guys. I mean, stocks haven't been this low since 2008. This is a huge discount sale for you guys to really get in on some long-term growth in your stock portfolio. So again, it bottomed out at 19.1. It's getting back close to that support. So again, we'll keep an eye to see if it's gonna go below or if it will continue to return to the upside. Guys, just take a look at it. So definitely keep an eye on Delta Airlines. It's trading at 22.48. Its low when it crashed was at 19.1. Delta has entered the crisis with a better balance sheet than many of its competitors. It continues to have plenty of financing options if it needs additional capital. Flights will continue eventually. There still are essential travel that will go on. So definitely keep an eye on Delta. Maybe right now is not the time to buy. If it is, then I'll wait for it to see if it at least got up to the 35 and broke its previous high. Again, you still have a lot of potential for return from here and on up if you want to be very safe. But I still see it going down below 19.5, or I still see it going down below 19.1. So keep an eye on this. This will definitely be one for the long run.